Good evening, everyone. My topic is Sunita in space. This is for class 5 according to NCERT syllabus. Welcome to my channel. When Sunita Williams came to India, thousands of children got chance to meet her. Sunita says that her friend Kalpana Chawla wanted to come in India and meet children. She come to India to fulfill Kalpana's dream. Sunita's experiences of living in space. We could not sit at one place. We kept floating in the space from one place to another. Water too does not stay at one place. It floats around the blobs. To wash our face or hand, we had to catch the blobs and wet paper with them. We ate very differently there. The real fun was when we all of us would float into the dining area of the spaceship and catch the floating food packets. In space, there was no need to use a comb. My hair kept standing all the time. Not being able to walk, we had to get used to floating around. We had to learn to do simple things differently to stay at one place. We had to start ourselves there. Papers also had been stuck on the wall of the spaceship. It was a lot of fun living in the space, but it was also very difficult. On the earth, when we throw something up, it comes down. When we throw a ball up in the air, it falls back. We are able to catch it. On the earth, we don't keep floating around. When we fill a glass or bucket with water, it stays there. It does not float around the blobs as Sunita Williams says. It is something special about the earth that makes this happen. The earth pulls everything towards itself. Sunita Williams went 360 kilometers away from the earth in the spaceship. Think how far this would be. Find out which town or city is located about 360 kilometers away from where you live. This is how far Sunita Williams went away from the earth. The description of Earth. Sunita described her view to Earth from the spaceship. The Earth looks like so beautiful and amazing. We could watch it for hours from the window of the spaceship. We could clearly see the curved shape of the Earth. Sunita's experiences have been used to give the children to sense of the earth gravity. Use the term gravity is not needed here. Children would need to be helped to construct an understanding about the pull of the earth. This can be done only by linking with the children's own experience. It seems magical when the teeny paper falls with a coin at the same time. This is because in our daily life we find that the air slows down and the speed of the leaves or paper while they fall. Children are not expected to understand the science behind the magic. A mouse lifts an animal. They A mouse lifts an elephant. They might not even be able to understand that the bigger stone is lifted against the earth gravitation. Actually, the spaceship Shunita did not experience the pull of the earth because of the spaceship was resolving from the earth. Look at this photograph of the earth taken from a spaceship. From such photographs today, we know what the earth looks like. But thousands of the years ago, people could only imagine what earth looked like. Scientists try too hard to find out How big is the art? Twinkling Star. Twinkling Star is a poem in your NCERT book. You can read it. Stars are twinkling in the sky. Why do they twinkle? Tell me why. How many can you see? Some seem near, some seem far. Is there a name for every star? How many can you see? They shine too bright in the dark night. Why do they hide in the morning light? How may can you see? Like this poem is so beautiful. It's written by Anwar Islam. An interesting photograph. A spaceship went to the moon. This photograph of the Earth was clicked from the surface of the moon. See how Earth is looking. Can you see the surface of the moon? Yes, I can see the surface of the moon. So thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. This is the new topic space. Related to space, spaceship. I am already giving you a 5 minute video about the part of the rocket or spacecraft. So I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Keep watching. Please subscribe my channel and good night.